Ciso del Fuego, at which we now find ourselves, was the epicenter of the eruptions and is 525 meters high at its summit. This volcano was covered with slag and ashes from the 18th century eruptions, but at its crest one notices that the surface of the older section is not completely covered up by the more recent lava. Such areas are known as islotes, or islets, and are home to much plant and animal life which survived the volcanic catastrophe, gradually expanding into newly created substratas with the true eagerness of the colonizer.
Der Haupteruption